Hello everyone, welcome to Doll Studio YouTube channel. My name is Sasha and today I will be unboxing my new Novi Stars doll. Enjoy! Here we have Sila Clops, a Novi Stars doll by MGA Entertainment created in 2012. She is brand new in box. She comes with her pet One Eye, a wig and a stand. The box's handle doubles as a hair accessory keepsake. She is 37,000 lunar months old. Her mission is to light the way for her Earth friends. She is bright-eyed, literally. Her fashion style is intergalactic glam. Her fave Earth food is carrot, as she claims they are good for vision. Her favorite activity is flashlight tag. She wants to learn to wink. She is not afraid of the dark. Here are her friends: Tula Toned, Maytalic, Ari Roma, Universe, Ali Electric, and Mali Tasker. Which one do you like best? One Eye is like a little robotic alien. Pressing her earring lights up her eye. It's quite faint in the daylight, but we will have to try it in the dark. I think it's about time she's freed from this plastic contraption. I found Sila Clops for sale on Etsy. If you are interested, there were plenty of other Novi Stars listings on there as well. The stand is very moon-like and her shoes fit into the grooves so she doesn't need a back part. It also glows in the dark. She has a very unique brush. One Eye is going to be on display back there with all of my Littlest Pet Shops, Monster High pets, and etc. Here is Sila Clops. She looks very cool without her wig. She is sporting silver lashes and futuristic makeup. Her balloon skirt is beyond cute. Let's brush out this wig and try it on. It fits really well and wouldn't come off easily. Her little alien antennae are super cute and shiny silver. She has this lovely glittery skin, but it's all smooth. It's not gritty like you'd think glitter would be. And here are her shoes going into a little moon stand. She's so cute, she stands all by herself. Do you prefer with or without the wig? I think she looks super cute, but I prefer her without. I think she just looks very otherworldly and I love her to bits. What do you think of this doll? Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel for more doll content. And have a good day. Bye.